Now page number 53. How long is a meter? I want to make a long kurta. There is a boy who goes to tailor and he says he want to make a long kurta. What is the measurement of that kurta? For that, tailor says that you will need 2 meters of cloth for your kurta. Now there is her sister with him and she says, and how many meters for a long skirt for me? A girl wants to make a skirt and she asks, what will be the length of the skirt that if I want to make? Then the tailor says you will need 3 meters. Let us make a meter rod. You must have seen shopkeepers measuring the cloth with a meter rod. You might have seen shopkeepers using such kind of a rope for measurement. Now this is an activity and we are making a meter rope. Use a meter rod and a rope. Make a knot at one end of the rope. What you have to do? You have to take this type of rod, meter rod, and another rope. Now you have to tie a knot. It means गांठ बांधवानी एक छेड़ा ऊपर. Keep the meter rod with a rope. Now you have to tightly pull the rope exactly above the meter rod. Mark 1 meter on the rope and make a knot there. Now where you see 1 meter, you have to tie another knot and mark 1 meter over there. Likewise you have to repeat. Now length between the two knots is 1 meter. Now length between first knot and second knot will be 1 meter as we have tied another knot at 1 meter. This is your meter rope. If you don't get a meter rod, use a measuring tape and mark 100 centimeters on the rope. 100 centimeter are equal to a meter. So you can get a meter rope. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now in case you don't find such kind of a rod, what you will do? You have to take a measuring tape and in that you have to mark 100 centimeters because 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. Now page number 54. Guess and check. Activity 1. Find some things that look 1 meter long. Use your meter rope to find which of these things are more or less than 1 meter. Now you have to take some things and you have to find out with the help of your handmade rod whether it is more than 1 centimeter or it is less than 1 centimeter. So here certain objects are given. First one is length of the table. Length of the table will definitely be more than 1 centimeter. So here you have to do a tick mark. Next is width of the table. If you find out width of the table, then it may be less than 1 meter. So you have to do a tick mark over here. Width of a door. So width of the door will be less than 1 meter. So you have to do a tick mark over here. Next is length of a door. Length of a door will definitely be more than 1 meter. So you have to do a tick mark over here. Next is length of a window. Length of a window, you have to write length of window and it will be less than 1 centimeter. So you have to, 1 meter. So you have to do a tick mark over here. Next is width of a window. You have to write width of a window and it will also be less than 1 centimeter. So you have to do a tick mark over here. Next is width of a bed. So you have to write width of a bed and you have to do tick mark over here. Second activity, some class 3 children have marked a 1 meter height on the wall of their class. You can also mark 1 meter on your class wall. Page number 55. Now make a chart of the height of your friends. To measure the centimeters, you can use your small scales. What you have to do? You have to measure your friends' height. For that we will make a table. Over here name is written, then taller, shorter or equal to 1 meter. How many centimeter more? or less than a meter. So first name is Shambhu. We will write Shambhu over here. He is taller to 1 meter. मतलब 1 meter but taller than 1 meter. And how many centimeters? More or less than 1 meter. So this will be 4 centimeter. So here we will write 4 centimeter. Next friend is Bittu. He is taller, shorter or equal to 1 meter. So he is taller. So we will write taller. How many centimeters more or less? How many centimeter more than a meter? So answer will be 16 centimeter more. Next is Bubbly. Bubbly is taller than 1 meter. How many centimeters taller? So this will be 8 centimeters more. Next is Monu. Monu is shorter than 1 meter. How many centimeters shorter than 1 meter? So this will be 3 centimeter less. Next one is Sonu. Sonu is taller than 1 meter. And how many centimeters taller than, how many centimeters more than a meter? So answer will be 2 centimeters more. Now page number 56. Centimeters or meters. Which of these things will be in centimeters and which of will be in meters? When we are measuring small things, we will use centimeter to find out the measurement. And when we are using big things, we will use meter to find out those things. First one is width of a computer screen. It is smaller. So we will use centimeter to find out that. You have to write centimeter. Next is length of pagdi 1 by 6. Length of pagdi is pagdi is very long, so we will use meters to find out the length. Next is height of a 1-year-old child. 1-year-old child will be very small, so we will use centimeter to measure his height. Next is length of banana. Banana is smaller, so we will use centimeter to find out length of banana. Waist of an elephant. Elephant is very big in length, so we will use meter to find out waist of an elephant. Next is height of a sugarcane. Sugarcane means we can say sherdi. If we want to measure height of a sugarcane, then it is bigger in length, so we will use meter. Next is depth of a well. Well is again very big, so if we want to measure depth of a well, we will use meter. Height of your mother. If you want to measure height of your mother, then we will use meter. Distance from your classroom to school gate. Again it is very big, so we will use meter. Next is length of your father's arm. Your father's arm will be shorter, so we will use centimeter to find out that. Now you have to write this in CW and answers will be given in litho. Next one, page number 56. Trip to Agra. Mary and Ayush are going with their family to Agra. They get down at Agra Kent railway station and take a rickshaw to Taj Mahal. After 3 hours, they start for Agra Fort again in a rickshaw. In the afternoon, they take a bus to go to Fatehpur Sikri. 2 children are going with their family to Agra. Now they step out at railway station, and from railway station they are taking rickshaw to reach Taj Mahal. And from there they are going to Agra Fort again in rickshaw. Now in the afternoon they are taking bus to reach Fatehpur Sikri. Page number 57. Here you can see map of Agra. Here it is Agra railway station. Here it is Taj forest. This is river Yamuna. This is Taj Mahal. This is Agra Fort. This is Babarpur forest, and this is Fatehpur Sikri. Now look at the distances between these places. For kilometers we will write kilometers. We write km. Agra railway station to Taj Mahal distance is 5 km. Taj Mahal to Agra Fort distance is 2 km. Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri distance is 40 km. Now find from the map which is farther from Agra railway station, Taj Mahal or Fatehpur Sikri. We have to find out from the map which one is farther from the railway station. See, from railway station to Taj Mahal it is 5 km. From Taj Mahal to Agra Fort it is 2 km, and from Agra Fort to Fatehpur Sikri it is 2 km. So which will be farther? Fatehpur Sikri is farther from Agra railway station, because you can see distance is highest over here, which is 40 km. So you have to write answer, and this will be provided in litho, so I am not writing this. Which of this is nearer to the railway line? Barberpur forest or Taj forest? This is the railway line, you can see this. Now we have to find out which is near to railway line, Barberpur forest or Taj forest. So answer will be Barberpur forest. You have to write this in CW. Next is which of this is nearer to railway line, Agra Fort or Taj Mahal? Again this is railway line, this is Agra Fort and this is Taj Mahal. So you can clearly see from this map that Agra Fort is nearer to railway line. Which is closer to river Yamuna? This is river Yamuna. Which is closer to river Yamuna, Taj Mahal or railway station? This is railway station and this is Taj Mahal, but we can see that Taj Mahal is nearer to river Yamuna. You will have to write this in CW, and all the questions and answers are given in litho. Page number 58. Match the correct length. Draw lines to match each picture with how long it can be. Now this is an earthworm. Earthworm is smaller in length, so it will be in centimeters. We have to find out centimeters first. There are 2 centimeters, 10 centimeter and 1 centimeter. But it will not be 1 centimeter, so answer will be 10 centimeters. So you have to do match like this. Next is height of a child. Whenever we are measuring height of a child, we will take meters. So, as this is a child, his length will not be 5 meters, it will be 1 meter. So, we will match over here. Next is width of a fingernail. Now we have studied earlier that width of a fingernail is 1 centimeter. So we will match width of a nail with 1 centimeter. Next is length of a sari. Now we have only 2 options left, 1 kilometer and 5 meters. But we all know that sari will not be of 1 kilometer, so answer will be 5 meters. Next is distance from home to school. It will be in kilometers, so we will match that. So this is match on page number 58. Page number 59, the long tail competition. The animals in this picture had a competition. The animal who had the longest tail won a prize. Now who do you think won the first prize and who won the second? Just guess the length of the longest tail. See, there are few animals and they have tails. You have to find out with the help of measurement which animal amongst this have the longest tail. So the one with the longest tail will win the competition. So this is page number 59. So this is chapter number 4. This is just activity, so I have just explained you.